Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration features on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to Vibrate in Silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Over here, if you wish to switch on or off haptic feedback, click on this switcher, and if you wish to activate it, you can also adjust haptic feedback level by swiping left or right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!